Good morning. I just woke up. So it was pretty cold last night. It was like in the 30s. And I started off with the blanket, but I was smart enough to bring my sleeping bag out of my pack on the roof and in here just in case I woke up in the middle of the night and decided I needed it. And I did. Now I'm going to pack my stuff up and I'm going to go to Planet Fitness and work out a little bit and take a shower. And then I've got to do laundry. That was a pretty cool camp spot. When I woke up and got out of the van, there were a few cars around, but they were all empty. Nobody was in them. I think it's a trailhead for some kind of trail. So I'm going to spend the day here, spend the night again, and then probably in the morning head out to the first big hike of the trip, and that is the Guadalupe Peak. The top of Texas is the highest point in Texas, so I'm excited for that and also scared for that because that's gonna suck. Alright, well, I just got out of there, got a good workout in, working on my incline training for hiking. Man, I'm out of shape, but I'm getting there. Did a real good workout and then got a shower and I feel really good. So now I'm gonna go maybe grab something to eat while I'm doing laundry, but I've got to find a place to do laundry, so yeah. Damn, dude, today is gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I just called Panda Express and they have teriyaki chicken, and they never have teriyaki chicken. And I love teriyaki chicken, and there's a chicken crisis, and there's no teriyaki chicken in all of the world, but somehow they have it, which means it's gonna be a good day. I got broads in Atlanta.
Wichita, 7,000 Ukrainians.
Anderson, it is transport. It is helping people to come from Germany to help Ukraine refugees. Help. They want to be welcome.
Everybody has to stop violence.
So I gotta be honest, I was kind of dreading that. I was looking for a place that could get me a quick turnaround on wash and fold, but I couldn't find anybody. But I really needed that because I got over here in the passenger seat, I kicked the seat back, kicked my feet up, I chilled. I needed that, dude. I feel way better. I had like a huge headache. Clothes are done. So I still have a couple of hours to kill before my brother's out of training, and I need something to do. I'm thinking we go and look for these falls that Wichita Falls is known for. Let's see if we can find them. Okay, I'm gonna be weird for just a second. I love antique signage, old signs. I just love it very, very much. One that I've seen a lot of photos of, but I've never actually seen in person, is the old, very old, 1960s style, possibly 1970 style Arby's sign, and Wichita Falls is home to one. So check this out, dude. And lit up at night, they're insane. But that is so cool. Anyway, on to the falls. Okay, I think I found them. Hold on. So this sign says the falls follow the walkway. I think this is the walkway that it was talking about. So let's check it out. There's a billboard, the interstate. Pretty cool. Oh, sweet. Is this the walkway? I don't think that's the walkway. I'm lost. I'm lost. Back on the main path. Back on the main path. Ah, I see a trail sign. I looked it up earlier on All Trails, and I did see that there's a couple trails that loop around here. But I ended up deciding not to do it and just driving right up to it because a lot of people on there just recently have said that the water was cut off. But it's not. Let's check it out. Wow. It winds up again. Let's go to the top. Whoa, dude. Cool. I'm gonna run down there and grab another vantage point. There might be a search and rescue in a second. This guy's doing pretty crazy shit back there. Okay, cool. Well, we found them. I had a blast. I don't know why that excited me so much. It's just like man-made waterfalls in the middle of Texas, but they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. It was fun finding them. So, back to the van. I just remembered I have to go to Home Depot and get some more insulation for my rear shade. I gotta fix that. I think I know how to do it pretty quickly and effectively, but I want to do that before my brother gets out of training so I can hang out with him instead. You know, there's Home Depot trips where you don't know what you need, and those are frustrating in their own right. But I think even more frustrating are the trips where you do know exactly what you need, and it's like your third time buying that thing. So this is one of those trips. But this time I'm fairly confident that I can get it right, so wish me good luck. Alright, I got my stuff. If this fails, I'm just gonna spray paint the back window. I'm done dealing with it. What's up, birdie? Well, I gotta say, I thought it was a little bit overkill, but I'm glad I brought this 6-foot folding table. So I'm just gonna do all the work I need to do right here in the Home Depot parking lot. Okay, all done. I forgot to film the finished product, but I'll show you tonight. Alright, well, my little brother is out of training, so I'm gonna go and pick him up at the Air Force Base. Alright, well, I'm coming to you late again. I don't really like to film when I'm hanging out with family and friends. I think that's more important. But had a good time with my brother. We went and saw a movie. And then we checked out Raising Cane's because I've heard it's really good and I had to check it out while I was here. So I did. And it was pretty good. I have to say, it was pretty good. We had a good time. I went out to check out another camp spot that was on I-Overlander. We drove out there. I was tempted to film a little bit because it was in the middle of nowhere, dude. Super murdery, super murdery. Decided, nah, I'm not gonna stay there. It's too far away. I'm gonna leave early in the morning, so I'm just gonna stay where I stayed last night and just go about it a tiny bit different because I was like off level. But yeah, it'll be fine. I'm gonna start a little earlier tomorrow, probably around like 6:30, and then I'm gonna head on to the Guadalupe Mountains. I'm hoping I'll be able to get all the way there tomorrow, but it is a 7-hour drive, and I'm not really with all this getting into town when it's dark and then trying to find a place to camp overnight. I don't really want to do that anymore if I can help it. It might have to happen a couple times more during this trip, but I don't want it to be a constant thing. So if I get like halfway and it's getting late, then I'm just gonna stop in like Lubbock or something like that. But we'll see how it plays out. For now, I'm gonna drive to the campsite that y'all saw yesterday, and I'm gonna go to sleep, probably edit some of these videos and go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.